action, di ba? That speaks louder than words, di ba? So, may alam ba siya? Wala.
Again, Your Honor.
Based on what you have seen.
Again, Your Honor.
Based on what you have seen.
Again, Your Honor.
Meron ba siyang alam sa confidential fund, particularly on that issue?
Again, Your Honor, as far as I know, she does not know of any activities as she has mentioned.
Okay, you're trying to be evasive, Mr. Otoño. You're trying to be evasive. We are warning you.
Again, Your Honor, can I give you a little bit of context on the video that was shown? Can I, Mr. Chair?
Sige, go ahead.
Please continue.
Yes. The matter that was shared earlier, the one kung saan na merong clip na pinakita during the Senate hearing, that case was actually reported to the office that we received that there was an incident where a person was pretending to be from the office of the Vice President and nangihingi ng pera sa mga recipients, and it was reported, and we were able to share it with the VPSPG, and they were able to conduct surveillance and monitoring activities. That's the context of the clip that was shown. However, as to whether